Today, we're going to explore some of the most researched dietary patterns that may help support your body's health during or after cancer. There isn't one perfect diet for everyone. In fact, there are several scientifically discussed approaches that can influence how your body responds to illness, including cancer. And before we begin, always remember this video is for educational purposes only. It's not a substitute for professional medical care. Always discuss any dietary changes with your healthcare provider. When someone is diagnosed with cancer, it's common to ask, "What should I eat?" Unfortunately, the answer often varies. But emerging science shows that what we eat may influence how our cells function, and certain food patterns may help the body's natural defenses. Over the years, researchers have discovered that cancer is not just one single condition, it's a group of many different cell changes. Each type behaves differently and may respond differently to nutrients, oxygen levels, and inflammation. That's why understanding how our body's environment affects cells can be helpful when designing a supportive diet plan. Healthy cells rely on strong mitochondria, which produce energy efficiently. When mitochondria are damaged, some cells may switch to a less efficient way of making energy, a process that uses more sugar and less oxygen. This gives us a clue. Certain cancers thrive in low-oxygen and high-sugar environments. That's why some experts believe that maintaining balanced blood, sugar, and supporting oxygen levels through good nutrition and exercise may be beneficial. Physical activity and proper breathing bring more oxygen to tissues, which may help your immune system work better. A strong immune system is one of the most important defenses your body has. Key nutrients like vitamin D, zinc, and antioxidants from colorful vegetables can support immune health. Interestingly, research suggests that low vitamin D levels are linked with weakened immune activity. So maintaining healthy levels through sunlight or supplements under doctor supervision can be valuable when it comes to fueling the body. Different cancers have been observed to prefer different energy sources, such as glucose, amino acids, or fats. This means that varying your diet from time to time and avoiding constant intake of processed sugar may help maintain metabolic balance. Some studies discuss rotational nutrition, for example, alternating between low-carb, plant-based, or low-fat phases to make it harder for abnormal cells to adapt. Again, these ideas are research-based and meant to support the body, not replace medical therapy. Intermittent fasting is another area of study. When practiced safely, fasting periods may help the body recycle damaged cells through a process called autophagy. This can help your system focus on repair, but fasting is not safe for everyone, so always talk to your doctor before trying it, especially during treatment. For general health and prevention, a whole food low-sugar diet rich in vegetables, healthy fats, and moderate protein is often recommended. This is sometimes called a clean ketogenic or anti-inflammatory approach. It helps stabilize insulin, supports immune balance, and may reduce inflammation, all of which are important for long-term wellness. Beyond diet, remember to get regular sun exposure and maintain vitamin D levels. Include regular movement or exercise for oxygenation. Practice intermittent fasting if approved by your healthcare professional. Stay hydrated. And manage stress because your immune system performs best when your body and mind are in balance. The most effective strategy is not one single diet, it's a combination of lifestyle habits that reduce inflammation, improve energy metabolism, and strengthen immunity. If you'd like a deeper look into specific research or food plans discussed in this topic, you can download the educational guide linked below and share it with your doctor for personalized guidance. And if you haven't yet watched my video on foods that naturally support cellular health and may reduce cancer risk, you can find it right here. Stay informed, stay balanced, and take care of your body every day.